If you see this, it's an empty lot. What I'm doing here, I'm going to show you my new bike. Ta-da! It's the Kawasaki z125. Why I got this bike is that I actually have a few of other bigger bikes that I have in mind, but if most of you know what happened in Malaysia recently was that the authority went down hard on us bikers, mostly on those who are riding with the loud exhaust, probably because there's just too many complaints. Man, I got sweat in my eyes. Okay, back to what I was saying. Mostly because there were just too many complaints from the residents. So the police decided to put their foot down and make a decision that's much more popular with the people. But what I do is, because my FZAC is no longer able to be on the road because it's just too loud, so I got this Kawasaki Z125. Everything is just stock standard except for the handlebar, which is a lot shorter compared to the original one. It's like a bicycle handlebar. It's like all the way up here, something that I don't like. I prefer my bike to be like hunched to the front a little bit. Not a good bike if you're one of those who love to go far, take a long distance journey. But for me, just going around KL and Selangor, it's already enough. Commuting somewhere around 90 to 100 km/h. And what I found out when I got this bike is that it's a very, very fun bike. What I mean is that I'm able to train anywhere I want, such as this place, although it's not really a good place. If you can see, there's just too many debris out here. But I was able to do the figure of 8. I'm still learning the wheelies. I'm really bad at it, but I'm still learning, and this bike is just perfect for it. Well, I hope you get what I mean. That is the main reason why I got this bike in the first place. Although it's a bike that I need to commute around KL and Selangor, but it also provides something else. For those of you who have been following me, you guys know that I don't really put speed as priority. Although to have speed would be good, but it's not the main factor for any bikes. That when I get in the future, I want to get the either the Triumph Street Triple or the Yamaha MT-07. These two is still like up in the air. I'm still in a intense debate within myself, like, because both bikes are very, very fun, but one is a Japanese bike, the other one is a continental bike. So you know, in Malaysia, maintenance wise, Japanese bikes always wins. But we'll see. But in the meantime, I'm gonna enjoy myself training on this bike. It's very, very hard, but I'm just gonna cut it short. Although it's just 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm just gonna go home.